so cute. It is finally October and I love thrifting for fall. We're going to Goodwill and Salvation Army and then try on haul. My goals for today: sweaters, long sleeves, bottoms, maybe some cute skirts, a lamp for my kitchen because I feel like lamps in the kitchen are just very classy, very chic. But really anything I can get my grubby little hands on, I will take. Let's get in there. I have on the most fall outfit I could find. I have this cute plaid skirt that I thrifted in Oklahoma. This sweater I thrifted in like 2014. Cute little cherry ring. Black bag. Honestly, this will probably be in my thrift haul because I thrifted it like last weekend and I love it. And I have the little red nails. So cute. Why is this kind of, not that one. Why is this kind of cute? Why is this actually so cute? They want to take everything from me. Not getting this, but this is so cute. Can you even tell how cute it is? You are kidding me. Again, not my size, but look how adorable this thing is with the little sleeves and then the collar. Oh my god, it's so cute. Found this amazing Ralph Lauren sweater. I think I'm gonna get her. If this was my size, it would be over. Oh, it's so cute. Just showing all of the amazing, beautiful, beautiful finds. I can't wait. Look how cute this is. Okay, got one thing, but that's okay because like I said, we're going thrifting again. I like this a lot. I hope it looks good on, but we'll just have to see. Eee! Oh my god, we're going to the Salvation Army now, and I think this one is like brand new. It's not even on Apple Maps. It says that it's closed, so I'm excited. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so tempted. It's 100% cotton, but I just think I won't wear it enough. But look how beautiful it is. I feel like the camera's not doing it justice. It's so beautiful, velvety. Okay, got some good stuff. They told me that they just opened yesterday. I was like, oh my god, the luck. Wow, so happy. Okay, gonna go home, wash this, try on haul. I have made it back home, washed everything, made all of these cute little outfits to show you guys. I got 7 or 8 pieces. Some of the pieces I got, I will make 2 outfits for, and some will just be 1 outfit. So first up, look at this skirt. Are you effing with me? It has the ruffles. It's from Wild Fable. This was $5 from Salvation Army. It's like this cream color. It has a little bit of texture on it. Look at that movement. It's so cute. And because it's a cream color, it will go really well with styling it for fall. So here is the first outfit, obviously with the plaid and the browns and the warm tones here. It really is giving fall. The overcoat is from Ashley. It is just so cute. I love it a lot. And then under that, I have this deep brown long sleeve bodysuit from Zara. The cream ruffled skirt with this is just so cute. And there's a lot of textures going on. We got some texture from the jacket. We have some texture from the skirt. I like the hat with this because it makes it a little bit more casual. Cream colored purse, light tan socks to go with my Birkenstocks, and then just light jewelry. It's like a Euro summer kind of skirt, but it's transitioning into fall, which I love. Okay, now it's time for the second way I would style this. I have this Old Navy jean jacket. I have this shirt underneath that I just made myself. It's peacock print, but also cheetah print. There's so much going on with it. Underneath all of the pattern, there is this cream color, almost the same color as the skirt. The top is a bit much, which I'm well aware of. Hello, I made it. Check out my last video if you want to see the process of me losing my mind making that. The jean jacket really dresses it down a little bit. Black boots, a black purse, and the jewelry have some accents of blue, which tie in the teal bluish color from the top. I feel like this is such a cute outfit. I'm so glad that I found this skirt. If you saw that black bag that I wore with my skirt and in my vlog, I got a new black purse. I got her for $14, which is a bit steep if you ask me, because I'm cheap. It has this pleated faux leather texture on it, gold hardware, and then the strap is like this rope. Another reason why I really like this purse is because on the inside, it's like cheetah print. Girl, that is so cute. It has a zipper pocket inside, and then a non-zipper pocket. It adds such a nice texture to any outfit. It's very compact, but it fits a lot. I already had one black purse, but put that on Depop. It sold in like an hour. Sold it for like $5. I'm so glad that I found this and decided to pick it up. The thrift vlog you saw, I got one thing from Goodwill and then a few things from Salvation Army. But like I said in the thrift vlog, this is from last weekend, and then I got this from last weekend, and then a pair of jeans. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. I got this like velvet zip up that's cropped, and it's from Aerie originally. It's almost like this pale brown color. It has a hood and it has the zipper, and it's just cute. So this is the outfit. It's so uber casual. I love that about it because I feel like I tend to dress things up even when they don't really need to be. I have this velvet jacket with these white linen shorts from Universal Threads. Again, my Birkenstocks, you really cannot go wrong with that. I just love it. The whites and the creams and the browns of this are just very cute. Simple jewelry, just a tri-layered gold necklace. And then I put my hair in a claw clip to really emphasize the casualness. And then I have one of my favorite tote bags that my roommate got me from New Zealand, and it's this Mickey Mouse Christmas one. I've already worn this outfit once, and I will be wearing this again and again and again. Next, this is a very random one that I will be DIYing. So this is not the final form. It's from Fashion Act. There's no size on it. I got it because it has this oversized collar that I want to make a DIY collar with ruffles. It has these like pearl buttons. I wish it fit. It's very cute, but it's fine because I will be using her for her fabric. I'm hoping to use this for a Halloween costume. Actually, I could not fit into this if I wanted to. I could leave it unbuttoned and wear it, but why do that when I could make a whole new piece and just ruin this, you know? So there's that. And on the topic of things that are not its final form, I have been on the hunt, the prowl for a dark denim mini skirt, and I have not been able to find one. None my size, none that are exactly how I want it to be. So when we went to Salvation Army, this skirt was half off, and it was only like $6 to begin with. And so I picked it up. It's long, but I was like, oh my God, I can make it the exact perfect length that I want it to be. So we have another DIY on our hands. She's so cute. She's originally from Talbots. She has these cute lines on her pockets that you're not able to use them, but they're so cute. I like this dark wash. It's a little tiny bit big, but I think that will play into my favor. I really like it. I'm really excited to have a customized dark denim mini skirt. I'm so excited. Speaking of dark denim, I got, they're not flare, but maybe like boot cut, wide leg jeans. Not too wide though, so I don't know what they're called. I am such a light denim girly, but I was like, you know what? These pants look like they will fit me perfectly, and I want to try to style real dark denim because these are nice pants. They are from H&M. I love these jeans. I almost put them back. I'm really glad that I did it. They fit me so well. Here is the first outfit. For the shoes, I don't know if I want to wear the sneakers or the Uggs because I feel like Uggs with jeans are really, really cute when done right. Either way, we have the brown on the shoes. Under the jacket, I have another top that I made. I just thought it looked nice under the jacket. I have the black bag I thrifted, and this jacket is so cute. It's vintage, it's corduroy, and it has Sherpa on it. It is my ideal fall jacket. With this, I also have my scarf that I got from Daiso. It's so soft, it's so cute. I feel like it really, really complements this outfit. I genuinely cannot wait to wear this. It's still a little too warm here in SoCal, but girl, the minute I can, I will. That is the first outfit, and now this is the second outfit. With my dark wash H&M jeans, I am wearing this H&M off-the-shoulder black sweater. It is so cute. It's so good with the dark denim. I usually do like a dark top, light bottom, or vice versa, but I wanted to play with wearing a darker outfit, and I think it works very well. The jeans fit me so nicely, and these tennis shoes are pink, cream, light brown, and dark brown, and they are also a Sherpa texture. And then I have my Kate Spade bag. It gives this outfit a much needed pop of color. I just feel so cool and very chic, understated, but cute. I am just using as many buzzwords as I possibly can think of. We have two final pieces left, both of which are sweaters because it's weather weather is a man. I want the world in my hands. So this is the one item that I got from Goodwill in the video. It was $8, is that right? I don't remember. It is this Ralph Lauren. I don't know if it's Ralph Lauren, but I hear people say Ralph Lauren sweater. It's actually Lauren by Ralph Lauren. There's your proof in case you don't believe me. So it's an off-the-shoulder sweater, which, hello, I'm really into, even though it keeps bunching up, I'm really into the look right now. And this is what sold me, this leather silver hardware buckle detail on it. This is so cute. And I like that it's like a dark gray. This is very much Blair Waldorf kind of vibe. I feel like if Blair Waldorf heard me say that, she would be so insulted. But you know what? That's okay. She's not real. So I have this plaid mini skirt on the bottom. It's like gray and black, and that is from American Eagle. I have tights, white socks, and my Steve Madden chunky loafers. The loafers are leather and they have a little bit of silver hardware on them. Obviously a match made in heaven for this top. I cannot believe it. And then I just have this little like clutch because I didn't have any bags that really went well with this outfit. And then I have a Sherpa headband on because I just love the extra texture. Very simple silver jewelry. I just feel so darling, so cute in this. It's so fall, so Blair Waldorf, so Gossip Girl. Now here is the second way that I want to style it. I have this light wash pair of jeans. They're two-tone skater jeans from American Eagle, and they're kind of long, so I was like, oh my god, perfect opportunity to wear some shiny black boots. I made the mistake of wearing these for Halloween, climbing up a hill in them, which was a bit much, but it was kind of iconic. My black purse, some silver hoops, a silver bracelet, silver ring. This is a very, very simple outfit, but I feel like the little details really pull it together, and I'm hoping that I am brave enough to wear boots with jeans because I normally only wear boots with skirts. That's like my own personal character flaw. At least I'm self-aware. We have come to our very last item of the video. Come on, this screams fall. It's a plaid sweater. It is from St. John's Bay, 100% acrylic, which I don't particularly like, but also it does feel pretty soft. I don't know. I feel like in my head, like acrylic is not soft. I like the color block on the collar, the sleeve, and the bottom. It just looks a little classy. I do fear that it looks like pajamas on me. So because it reads as pajama to me, I wanted to make it look cute. Okay, dress it up a little. So this is my outfit. It just screams fall. I love the Old Navy jean jacket. It's such a classic piece. I have my black mini skirt from American Eagle. These cute little booties. They're from Mia. On my head, I have this ear warmer headband that my best friend actually knitted for me. It is such amazing quality and it is so cute. And if I'm being honest, it is the perfect accessory to wear with this outfit. We got the texture on the bag, the denim, the knit on the headbands, the sweater material, and then suede on the shoes. It all flows really nicely with each other, which is good. This is like an apple picking outfit to me. I mean, not really. If I'm going apple picking, I'm probably wearing at least flat shoes, like bare minimum, but it is just so comfy, cozy, cute, and it's everything that I could possibly want in a fall outfit. And scene. Do you like the outfits I put together? I really like my thrift finds. I'm excited to experiment with the dark denim a little bit more. Some DIYs in here, which I love, love, love. Been loving sewing and making my own clothes. If you have any suggestions on how to style anything, I am all ears because I'm trying to be better with my personal style and just trying to do like new fun things. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.